I am presenting here with the next new topic, that is state and proofs. In this topic, we have covered the what is state and proofs, and what is differentiation between the state and proofs, and what is the similarity between a state and proofs. So let's start of topic. That is a first topic is what is a definition of proofs. So we can see here proofs name is a sorted of four properties, and proofs are used to pass the data and event handler from one component to the another component. That is and when we send the data from one component to the another component, then another component accept the data as the argument from proofs object. So and next is a proof validation. So what is proof validation? Proofs validation is a tool that will help the developer to avoid future bugs and problems. It is useful way to force the correct usage of our components, and it makes your code more readable. So that is a functionality of proofs validation. And next is a proof types. So React component use a special proof property, that is proof type, that help you to catch bugs by validating data types of value passed through proofs. And the next is a state. What is a state? The definition of state is a state is a variable which exists inside a component that cannot be accessed and modified outside the component. And in React, both this.props and this.state represent the render value what currently on the screen. So in all the definition of proofs and state, we have conclusion, a simple conclusion, that is a proofs are used to pass data, where state is for managing a data. Next topic is what is differentiation between state and proofs. So that is a difference. States are mutable and proofs are immutable. Mutable means state value can be changed and proofs value cannot be changed. So a state can be changed asynchronous and proofs are read only. A state is like a variable declared in the function body, whereas proofs are like function parameter, not a variable. So a state cannot make component reusable, but proofs make a component to reusable. A state cannot be accessed by child component. Proofs can be accessed by child component. A state holds information about the components. Proofs allow you to pass data from one component to another component as an argument. So next topic is similarities. Means similarities between state and proofs. So there are different types of similarities. That is one is both are plain JS object. Both can contain default value. Both are read only when they are using by this. So this is all over of state and proofs. So thanks for listening. Okay.